Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Just a quick note to you do-it-yourselfers. A lot of you guys are doing your own repairs, and at the end of the day, when you go to press that button, the top doesn't work. Problem is, you haven't bought your hoses from me, and I haven't done the work for you, so you're not my customer. You have to understand that this is a business for me, and there is no free help. So if you're planning to call my toll-free number for help, just know that there is going to be a fee moving forward. I've been called some really nasty names for people who have done the repair themselves and call me for help because they got stuck. And this includes dealerships, shops, body shops, upholstery places, whoever. There is no free help. So just know when you dial any of my toll-free numbers, I am going to charge you before I offer any help. So I hope that gives you an idea how difficult that this repair is. To you do-it-yourselfers, know that there are shops and dealerships that have problems with this repair. You're better off calling someone who knows what they're doing first before you go and try this repair on your own. I hope that helps. Thank you for listening.